So, anything you wanna talk about?
If you don't already know, I'm not telling you.
Look, if you don't tell me what's wrong, Astrid, how am I supposed to help?
Hiccup, I've been wearing this betrothal necklace all day. Did you even notice? No, never mind. No, of course you didn't.
Oh, hey! Wow! No, it looks great!
Seriously?
No? I mean, Astrid.
It's like I'm invisible to you. We've known each other our whole lives, Hiccup. And I've never felt further away from you. Have you been?
Oh, you know.
She's an icon, she's a legend, and she is the moment. Now come on now.
We are